2 cups of warm water and a tablespoon of yeast. I'm going to put the yeast in there and let it start working. Stir it up a little bit with a fork till it starts working in the water. Then you'll need 1 box of vanilla cake mix, any flavor that you like. I have white cake mix, and 4 cups of regular flour. Once that starts going, the yeast starts going. See how it's all dissolving in the water? We're going to put in our box of cake mix. This is 1 box of vanilla cake mix. Four cups of flour, 2 cups of vegetable oil, we're also going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in. Just going to eyeball it. 2 teaspoons of that. Now you just stir everything together till it makes donut dough. Once you get your pan full of your dough, then we're going to put it in the oven on 375 for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Our donuts just came out of the oven and I flipped them onto a cooling rack. They're nice and golden brown. Once they cool for a little bit, we're going to put some icing on them. Put whatever favorite icing you have on them. I'm just going to put store-bought, but you can also make your own glaze with some confectionery sugar and butter and a little bit of milk. Once your donuts have cooled enough where you can touch them, put your icing on, and they're ready to eat. I hope you like my recipe for easy cake donuts. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.